Oh, boys and girls, welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. In this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, March the 15th, 2024, and I've already solved two puzzles, 3 stars and a 4-star Sudoku. So 2 puzzles are left, the jigsaw Sudoku and the binary. Yes, it's binary time. This one will be number 8199. Yeah, 8199. And before I start, I always counter print the digits. This one is 19. That's a lot. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count the boxes. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in the column there are always 4 ones and 4 O's. Alright, so let's get started. Between the ones comes an O. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. Then double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Double one, here no, there no. Then come on. Between the ones comes an O. Now between the ones comes an O. Double O, here one, there one. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. Let me think. 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O, here one, there one. 1 2 3 4 ones, so the rest are O's. And we have here 1 2 3 4 O's, so the rest are ones. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are ones. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. And between the O's comes in 1. Finish in 2 minutes. Well, we solve it again. And I like this one, yes. I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it and solve thyself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today, the jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.